In this video, I will show you how you can extract the audio from a screen recording on any iPhone. Now, I have already done a screen recording on my iPhone. I will extract the audio of this screen recording. Now, to extract the audio of this screen recording, just go to your home screen and open the app library. Now, from here, just look for the Shortcuts app. If you cannot find the Shortcuts app over here, just open the App Store. And from there, you can download the Shortcuts app. And after you do that, then tap on Open. Now under the Library section, just tap on the plus icon. Then in the search bar, just search this. Tap on Select Photos, then tap on the blue arrow over here. In front of Include, just tap on All, and make sure you select Videos. And after you do that, then tap on Done. And if you want to extract the audio from multiple screen recordings, just enable the toggle for Select Multiple. And after you do that, then in the search bar, just search this. Tap on Encode Media, then tap on the blue arrow over here, and make sure you enable Audio Only. And after you do that, then finally in the search bar, just search this. Tap on Save File. Now after you do that, then just scroll down and tap on the drop down arrow over here. Tap on Rename, and from here you can give a name to the shortcut which we have created. I will name it Screen Recording to Audio. Now after you have done that, then tap on Done. Now if you go back, you will find the shortcut which we have created. Now to extract the audio from a screen recording, just tap on the shortcut which we have created and select the screen recording from which you want to extract the audio. Then tap on Done. Now in the Files app, just select the place where you want to save the extracted audio. For an example, I will select this folder, then tap on Open, and after you do that, you will extract the audio from the selected screen recording. Now to find the extracted audio, just go to your home screen, and from here just open the Files app. In the Files app, just look for the location where you have saved the extracted audio. I will extract the audio of this screen recording. And as you can see, this is how you can extract the audio from a screen recording. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.